Master the art of uploading YouTube Shorts from your PC. Hello, digital conquerors. You're just a click away from mastering the art of uploading YouTube Shorts from your PC. Stick around. This could be your game changer. But before we dive in, smash that like button and subscribe for more transformative tech tips. Your support keeps us delivering top-notch content, so thank you. Step 1. Log into your YouTube account. If you don't have one, it's free and simple to set up. This is your portal to sharing your creativity with the world. Step 2. Click on the Create button at the top right. It's shaped like a video camera. You'll see an option for Upload Video. Click on it and let the magic begin. Step 3. Select the file you want to upload. You've got that epic 60-second clip ready, right? It's time to let it shine. Make sure it's vertical for the perfect Shorts appearance. Step 4. Fill in those details. Give your short a catchy title to draw in viewers. Don't forget to write an enticing description and add relevant tags to improve searchability. Step 5. Set your video to public. Don't let your masterpiece hide in the shadows. By setting it to public, you're allowing the world to be wowed by your creativity. Step 6. Hit the Publish button. Feel that? That's the rush of sharing your story with the world, one short at a time. Now sit back and watch the views roll in. Remember, practice makes perfect. Your first short might not go viral, but don't let that discourage you. Keep creating, keep sharing, and most importantly, keep enjoying the journey. As the journey ends today, let's keep the conversation alive. Drop your queries, experiences, or suggestions in the comments section below. We love hearing from you. Your interaction fuels our content creation. And now, as we close this chapter, let's not forget that your support keeps us going. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to never miss an update. Thank you for joining us on this digital adventure. Remember, the world is your stage. Shine bright, keep creating, and we'll see you in the next video.